there, Dallas Drainage Pros. We are installing a fabricated pre-sloped channel drain. These channel drains are required whenever your concrete is sloped the wrong direction that you're trying to send the water, and it allows the water to flow by getting increasingly deeper as you install the next pieces. So I'm going to show you how we install this and just how it works. So we've already cut the concrete out of this driveway that we needed to remove in order to install the channel drain. This leaves us enough room to put concrete on either side and slope the concrete back towards the channel drain. So the channel drain itself, this is a product by NDS called DuraSlope, and it's a 6-inch wide by as long as you need it to be channel drain. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see in this video, but it's deeper there than it is on this end. And so when we install this, we install it the direction that we want that water to flow. And even though the concrete might be flat on the top or even sloped that way, because the bottom gets increasingly deeper, the water will go the direction we want it to. And that's necessary whenever you don't have slope inherent to the concrete itself. So each of those pieces join together, and then we're just getting things laid out. But rebar will go in up to the channel. We'll drill it into the concrete like dowels, and concrete will go on the sides, underneath, and then we'll slope it so that you have just a little bit of a slope towards the channel. You'll want to use a level for this here, and you can see between the garage concrete and the driveway concrete, we are sloped the wrong direction. It's sloping towards the garage. So we need to create some positive slope away before it gets to the channel drain. So we've cut a little bit extra here, which allows us to slope it without creating a large rut. So this will be just a smooth slope down to the channel. The channel will take in the water, and any overflow will be pushed back towards the channel.